Hi, I'm Summer Gao, a creative artist and designer from mainland China. Now based in London, I hold a master's in illustration from Kingston University, and my work often explores the intersection of art and science through themes like existentialism, psychology, and even office chair history. The piece I created is inspired by menstruation and the often invisible labor of the uterus. I used the imagery of lip skin healing, something we can easily see, to represent the monthly shedding and silent repair of the uterus, which we often overlook because it happens internally. This idea came from a conversation I had with science students about how many women's menstrual symptoms are misdiagnosed or dismissed as just period pain, when in fact they could be signs of deeper issues like endometriosis. I wanted to highlight the quiet resilience of the female body and how easily internal pain can be minimized just because it's not visible. I hope my work encourages people rethink how we perceive menstruation, not as something minor, but as an incredible cycle of injury and healing happening every month. Thank you.